Hey, what's going on today, guys? If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you to Iron Antler Adventures. Today I'm going to be forging a horseshoe heart. If you enjoy this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And now you can like us on Facebook. So I'm going to get the forge fired up, and let's get to forging. Alright guys, we've got our flame going. We're going to take this horseshoe, stick it down in those hot coals. I want the center of that horseshoe to get hot first. Everybody has their own way of doing this. I'll show you how I do it, so I can keep from getting my beard caught on fire. We're going to take this in there to the anvil, and we're going to put it on the hardy hole to start with. I'm going to grab it and stretch it. I'm going to stretch it out as much as I can. Then I'll straighten it out so I can hold on to my tools. There, we got it straightened out. I'll probably straighten it a little bit more, get a little hotter, and straighten it a little bit more. A lot of times I put just a little water on there. Helps keep it burning up so fast. It seems like it also helps it get a little hotter. We're going to try to straighten it a little bit more, guys. Alright, that's about how I want it. Flip it over here, make sure it's good and flat. Then we're going to get that center real hot again. We're going to get it hotter than we had it. Alright guys, we're going to pull this horseshoe out of here. We got it good and hot. I'm going to go over the edge of the anvil, what I think is about halfway. I'm going to hit it right on that edge, put an indentation in it, and I'm coming down here. Hitting it on this side, and I'll bring it over here. Hit it on this side. I gotta find a better pair of pliers. The goal is to put that little notch in there. Then we want it flat, kind of flat on each side. I'm gonna have to heat it back up, find a better pair of pliers. Get back to that notch. Hit it a couple of times. Come hit it over here. Hit it over here, kind of flatten it. Make sure it's fairly flat and even. Now we're going to heat up one side of it. Now we're going to take this piece, put it on the horn. I'm going to flatten it. And I'm going to start bending it around. Being sure that we keep it flat. Kind of like that, guys. We'll fine tune it here in a minute. Now we want to do the other half. Take her out 2.5 kilos. We're going to do the same thing on this side, guys. We'll lay this up here, flatten it out. We're going to start hammering her around. Now we're going to get that middle good and hot. Now we got that middle hot. We'll come back over here. Hit that a little bit. I need to heat these two ends and curve them in just a little bit more, then we'll have our heart. If I'd have got a little more curl on that to begin with, guys, I wouldn't be going back through this, but I don't know any blacksmith that makes everything perfect 100% of the time. We'll have to do a video on making me some tongs, I think. The way it's looking. There you go, guys. There's the horseshoe heart. Is it perfect? No. Nothing in this world is. But if it was made by a machine, it'd be perfect. There you go, guys. Can be cleaned up, painted, or whatever you want to do with it. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, so that way you can be updated on our newest videos. And you can also like us on Facebook. Until next time, beard out.